Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of assembling the ASUS ROG Strix OLED 26-inch monitor. To get started, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid any damage to the monitor. First, unbox your monitor carefully. Take out the display, the stand components, and any additional accessories. Lay the monitor face down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. You'll notice the stand is in two parts, the base and the arm. Begin by attaching the base to the arm. Align the holes and secure them using the provided screws. Ensure they are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. If you find yourself struggling, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you troubleshoot any issues. Next, locate the mounting plate on the back of the monitor. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the mounting plate. Once removed, attach the arm of the stand to the back of the monitor and secure it with the same screws you just removed. Ensure it is firmly in place. Now, it's time to clean the screen and the back of the monitor. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or fingerprints. This will ensure optimal visibility and performance when using the monitor. After cleaning, carefully lift the monitor and set it upright. Connect the necessary cables, the power cable, HDMI, or DisplayPort, depending on your setup. Make sure these connections are secure to avoid any disruptions later. If this feels overwhelming, remember that we can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home if you prefer not to handle it yourself. No calls, no travel, just a hassle-free experience. Once connected, power on the monitor. Navigate through the setup menu using the joystick at the back of the monitor. Customize your settings, such as brightness, contrast, and color profiles to suit your preferences. If you need any advice on optimizing your settings, we can provide a quote before repair to ensure everything is functioning perfectly. Finally, take a moment to tidy up your workspace, ensuring all cables are neatly arranged. With your ASUS ROG Strix OLED 26-inch monitor fully assembled, you can now enjoy an immersive display experience. Remember, if you encounter any issues during setup, we're here to help with professional support. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.